Good day all, welcome to my channel. Well, to those that are new, please subscribe and like. As promised, I said that I was going to build incubator. Yes, a self-turning, not a self-turning, this one is a manual incubator for a start before we proceed to making one that is self-turning. So this is the manual that we're done. So we're looking at probably 244 egg manual turning incubator, and we have used hardwood for the frame. As you can see, this is the frame that we've made. The frame, what we've also done is inside. So far we have insulated inside. As you can see, we've insulated inside. We're going to put two fans and two lights inside, which will be about 100 watts each, and we're hoping that and then we're going to use a 3028 controller. So this is right now the body frame that we have made. This is from the body, and this is the turning tray that we have also assembled. So this is for the eggs. This is where the trays will be. We will be able to stack 4 at the bottom and 4 at the top. That means altogether the trays that we want. So over here we have got the temperature controller and the humidifier that is in here. This is still in the packet, and we have not yet done anything. We have got some bulbs in here. We have got the cabling, as you can see, which is all over here, and the power unit that we're going to use. But as you have seen, this is just basically it. And in here, that is inside here, is the humidifier. So these are all the components that we need to put together to build this incubator that we have planned. So all the things are here, and in the next we are going to be assembling it. Hopefully by end of today we would have completed. So what then happens to the other incubator that we purchased? The other incubator that we purchased, we're going to put it back together. We have already improved the other incubator. What I say by improving it, so far we have already cut out a window. It did not have a window. We have put a window. We are probably thinking of insulating it inside also, like what we have done here, to also increase the humidity. So the things that we're also looking at this place is probably inside here is also to do the same. Put this kind of material also here on this door, and we're going to rubberize out inside here, and then we're going to also add some more clips on the outside, so that at least when we close it, it becomes airtight. So the only mechanism now that we're now needing to think about is how to manually turn this without us having to open the door all the time, because I believe that opening the door was also letting out too much air, because we were turning it at least 4 times a day. So now if we just want to manually turn it from the outside. Well, keep watching as we keep on going through this. This is part 1. Part 2, you'll see it now completed. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, have a good day.